So I recently got these uvce bell glides on Amazon to replace my wheel casters on my old office chair. I basically had enough of the wheels sliding and running away from me while I was working. It's super annoying to use my legs all the time to stop the chair. To add on to that problem, I also recently got a race wheel and pedals, Thrustmaster T80 Ferrari, and the chair needs to be static as I'm constantly pushing the pedals. These bell glides are a great and affordable solution. There's really no need to buy a new office or race chair. They're very easy to install. Just simply remove your old wheel casters. If they are stuck, I've used WD-40 and also a flathead screwdriver, and simply click these bad boys in. You can also attach felt protectors underneath. They do come with that, but I'm just testing it without that for now because the original product is supposed to be safe for all floors. As you can see, I don't slide at all while I'm leaning back. This makes my working day a lot more comfortable. If you're interested in these bell glides, check out the link in the description box. Also, my office chair is great if you're looking for lumbar support and to fix your spine posture overall. I've also included some options for you to check out as well. Hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.